guys, welcome back to another nail art tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to be doing some French tip nails, but I'm going to put like a kind of twist on it. Well, it's not really a twist. I'm going to be doing like a honey bees kind of themed French tip design. I'm going to be using yellow as my French tip color, then I'm going to be drawing some tiny bees flying on the nail. So my drawing skills, my nail art drawing skills aren't like the best, so we'll see how this goes. I'll just try and like be really patient and slow and hope that the design comes out well. So yeah. Anyways, so I already picked up my nail sizes and I already went on to attach the nail tips onto the nail stand. So the first thing I'm going to do is to apply my base coat on top of the nail. See what it looks like. This base coat is from iGel Beauty. I got it at the nail supply store and it's really good. I like how thick it is. Base coat is essential because it ensures that the gel polish that you use sticks onto the nail. Basically acts like a type of grip or something, so that the gel polish stays and doesn't like peel off or something. So yeah, it's really essential to use. And I find that this is more effective than buffing the nail to take up the shine. When I first started doing press nails, I always used to do that, but I found that that's not really necessary. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of base coat on each of the nail, then cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so the next step is to apply my base gel. This is the nail design that I'm using as my inspo, by the way. She used short square tips, so I'm going to be trying to recreate that. So now I'm going to start with the base gel, which is this one right here. I'm going to use one coat of this one from D&D. The color Take a Vow. And I'm going to use this. I think I got this off AliExpress. Hopefully it's enough. Put this a thin coat, cure it for 60 seconds, then I would put this on, then cure it for another 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this now. This one is more brown, which is why I want to apply it. I don't want the base color to be too pink for this design. Okay, so I went ahead and applied a third coat of this. So I basically have 3 coats of gel polish on here right now. and I'm pretty satisfied with the way it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and start drawing the French tips. So what I do is like I usually get like a surface like this, and I apply the color of my French tip over it. That's a really deep yellow. This yellow is called Fifth Avenue. It's from Madame Glam. Fifth Avenue. This is my first time using it, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm just gonna draw on my French tips now. Something I like to do when I'm doing French tips with is to do 2 coats of the French tip, especially when I'm using gel polish. I find that's not very thick. There's some polishes that are made specifically for doing French tips, but this one is not one of those, so I'm going to do 2 coats. The second coat is pretty easy. You just follow the outline of the tip you did previously. Okay, so I'm done creating the French tips. Look really good, honestly. So now I'm gonna draw on the little bees. I'm gonna draw one here and here. Let's see how it goes. Oh, actually, I need this. I'm gonna use this just to draw an outline of the bee. So I'll just draw an oval shape. That's the outline. I'm gonna just quickly clear that for like 30 seconds. Some of the glitter got on the black line, so I want to try and take them out. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Okay, now I'm going to like attach the wings. I think I'll put the wings on this side. This is what it looks like. I think it looks really cute, it's actually. So now I'm going to just apply top coat as my last step. Okay, so this is the final look. I really love this design. It's so creative. Like, the bees aren't so perfect, but they're still pretty. And I like the yellow. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, so it's really pretty. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this nail design. Like, would you try this? Would you do this and wear it on yourself? And yeah, let me know what other tutorials you like to see, and don't forget to subscribe for more nail art tutorials. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.